Hey guys, in this video we're gonna talk about how you can use Sweatcoin app and earn money. But before we begin, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Alright, so let's get started. First of all, open the Sweatcoin app on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. Now inside the app, tap on your profile picture at top left corner of your screen and you will be able to see all of your assets along with total steps you've taken. If I scroll down a bit on the home page, you can see that there is a section called Daily Rewards. Simply log in every day and get these free rewards daily. You can also try spinning the wheel to multiply your rewards or just refer a friend and get instant sweat coins. You can see there are some offers available at the bottom, so there are multiple sources through which you can earn money on Sweatcoin. You can also earn by counting your indoor steps. To do that, simply tap on the Activate Now button at the top and you are good to go. In order to cash out these sweat coins, simply tap on the shop icon at the bottom of your screen and select any offer you like. After that, swipe this bar at the bottom to confirm the purchase. That's how you can use Sweatcoin app and earn money. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.